Hey guys, Ron Harris from Renascent Mastermind come to let you know that we have a workshop and group coaching starting June 30th, 2018. If you're wanting to learn how to become a real estate investor, where you're just beginning or you've got 0 houses to 50 houses, you can always learn something. We will teach you for everything from A to Z on how to find houses, wholesaling, rentals, rehabs, rehabbing for landlording, rehabbing for retail is a little bit different. How to work with contractors, how to negotiate. We'll have live calls, how to work with realtors, how to work to find your own deals, and all the things, everything in between. So if you want to learn how to be a real estate investor, we have a workshop that is a 6-month program. That is every other Saturday. We have a 4-hour workshop, right, where we teach these specific subjects, and then the following week we alternate and we do a 2-hour group coaching session where we break the groups down into smaller groups, and so we talk. That's where the more intimate and more things and more details to each individual. So again, it's a 4-hour every other week, every other Saturday, and then a 2-hour every other week in a smaller group, and it alternates. So that's 6 months. So it's basically 12 4-hour workshops, so 48 hours of real estate training, and then 12, about 24 hours, smaller group coaching sessions where we meet in person, so we get to know each other, we build relationships, and we do that, and we learn all things real estate. We cover all kinds of things from accountability to self-development. What's wrong up here? You gotta get rid of and fix, right? What issues you're facing in your business, both entrepreneur side and the real estate side, and of course there's all things in between. This has nothing to do with the real estate techniques that you need to work on. So we cover all those things. We actually have here's the little flyer right here. Talks about what's going on, and then we actually provide you with a workbook, and we fill this up with all kinds of different subjects on self-development and deal analysis, finding deals, marketing, negotiating contracts, finding the money, bookkeeping, and insurance. Bookkeeping is important. Rehabbing to flip and rehabbing to rent. Landlording and property management. Lease. My wife, Angelina, she'll teach you. She's an expert on tenant screening and tenant leasing, and that's very critical. Put the right good tenant in, have least amount of problems and issues. And she's known for not having any evictions other than the 2 houses that I messed with in the process. It took me twice to learn. Ever since after that, I haven't had any evictions or problems. Let someone let the experts teach you how to do that. So just a little bit of flip through here, just all kinds of things that we work on. That's the mindset stuff. Here's some investment goals. How to have some marketing, local stuff that's going on. Rent rolls and financial statements, and this is how you do to go. We talk to the bankers, right? How do you get money, whether it's private money or from investment bankers? It helps to have money. Insurance. Andrew Cross actually teaches a rehabbing part of that, helps us teach that. All kinds of cool stuff. So that's the workbook. And of course we teach about real estate investing. So what does it cost? Well, it's very affordable. If it's just you, then it's $3,000 for that whole 6 months. And then if you have a spouse or a real business partner, it's just an extra $500 because we realize that having that spouse there, getting them on board as support, and or getting them involved in the business is very, very important. So when they understand what's going on, man, it's awesome, especially when you got the support. And if they get in the business with you, man, it's a rocket ship. You take off, and sometimes the spouse is actually better than you are. So when you're both involved, then you learn how to who's wearing which hat, and so that's very, very important. We teach that because my wife and I we're our team, and so we know our strengths and weaknesses. So again, Renascent Mastermind, Ron Harris. We have a 6-month program workshop / group coaching coming up on June 30th, 2018. Every other Saturday is a 4-hour workshop, and then the following week we alternate and we do a 2-hour group coaching session. And if you're not able to make the Saturday class because life happens and events and summertime and all those kinds of stuff, we actually record in a 4K camera the workshops, and we put them on a private channel, YouTube private channel, so you can watch them if you miss it and catch up. So you won't miss anything. So again, Ron Harris, RenascentMastermind.com. If you want more information, send us an email to info@renascentmastermind.com, or if you want to contact us, 1-800-565-9786. Or if you want to sit down with coffee and have a more in-depth conversation and see if this is for you, coffeewithron.com, coffeewithron.com will actually access my calendar so that you can pick a time and date and we can sit down and meet and you can pick my brain about all things real estate. I'll walk you through the process of what it looks like to be a full-time real estate investor or part-time and what you can do to get there and what areas you need to focus on, and then see if we're right for you as mentors and coach. So again, Ron Harris, Renascent Mastermind. Send us an email, contact us, find us somehow, wherever you got this message from. Get started, jump in. It's worth every penny. One mistake that you don't make is worth what? So, we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.